So you selected your LMS. LearnWorlds. Interactive content. Community features. Built-in sales funnels. All in one to monetize courses fast. Buying an LMS is only the start. When you need instructional design, content creation, when migrations need precision, or your team needs training and daily support, launches can stall and programs miss their potential. CourseCREEK steps in as your expert partner, an extension of your platform team. We handle instructional design, LMS implementation and admin, onboarding, content and data migration, and ongoing marketing and learner support. Sometimes, programs underutilize their potential, leaving you feeling stuck with a powerful platform like LearnWorlds, unsure how to maximize its capabilities. With CourseCREEK, you get high-touch, full-service help. So your initiative goes from A to B, fast, launched correctly, supported daily, and running without headaches. Fewer stalled projects, fewer cancellations, real value from the platform you bought. In fact, clients who use LearnWorlds and partner with us have given CourseCREEK 100% 5-star reviews, so you know you're in good hands. We are inside your LearnWorlds, on demand when you need it for anything you need, aligned with your platform specialists to keep everything smooth. Want a trusted, long-term partner for a reliable deployment? Book a meeting with CourseCREEK.